A. A is for asphalt paver. B. B is for bulldozer. C. C is for crane. D. D is for dump truck. E. E is for excavator. F. F is for forklift. G. G is for grader. H. H is for haul truck. I is for industrial loader. J. J is for jackhammer truck. K. K is for knuckle crane. L. L is for loader. M. M is for mixer truck. N. N is for night paver. O. O is for off-highway truck. P. P is for pile driver. Q. Q is for quarry truck. R. R is for road roller. S. S is for skid steer. T. T is for tower crane. U. U is for utility truck. V. V is for vacuum excavator. W. W is for wheel loader. X. X is for X-ray scanner truck. Y. Y is for yard crane. Z. Z is for zoom boom.